These are 4 potent cocktails. A lot of high-end bars wouldn't even sell these because it's beneath them. But if you want value for your money, order one of these. We start off with the Adios. Very popular. Vodka, rum, gin, tequila. Sometimes they don't put tequila in it. It all depends. Okay. Follow that up with some sweet and sour. Beautiful. Okay. And then we hit it with lemon lime soda. There's a lot of variations on an Adios. Top that off with blue curacao. But it gotta end with blue curacao to give you that nice blue. Again, pure potency in that glass. Come behind this the leader in the group, the Long Island iced tea, because all these are variations of the Long Island iced tea. Start off with some tequila, some vodka, rum, gin. Getting there with some triple sec. Are we using triple sec? Yes, we are. Followed by some sweet and sour. Top that off with Coke soda. So with a cola. So the thing with these drinks is, they're super potent, and guys who typically drink these come to the bar, get super tipsy, and start causing problems, which is why high-end bars tend to avoid these. But in terms of getting buying for your buck, a lot of bars will say this for $10, $12, $13, but this must be like 2-3 drinks in one if you really think about it, okay? So, it really depends on where you're trying to get it. You're trying to get somewhere for your money, invest in one of these. End this one with some melon liqueur. That's with Tokyo iced tea, okay? The reason why it's called Tokyo is because a lot of times it features Motori, which is Japanese for greenish or something like that. Okay, LA Water. This ain't an exact member of the Long Island family, but it's kind of similar. And why it's called LA Water is because it's supposed to end with a very dingy color, because LA Water is supposed to be contaminated. You know what kind of people, taking a bath in our reservoirs, okay, and the sewer leaking. You understand LA, okay, which is why we drink bottled water here, because you drink from the tap, you might end up dead. Okay, top that off with some blue curacao, and depending on how you mix it, you can get a nice, dark, nasty looking color, symbolic of LA Water. So guys, like I say, talking value, get one of these. If you're talking class, then you better not be drinking these, okay? Because no girl's gonna look at this guy and go, wow, he's drinking a Long Island on Adios. He must be classy. No, quite the reverse. This is some ratchet ass dude, okay? Trust me, that's what a classy girl's thinking. Stay tipsy, friends. Get value for your money. Later. Okay guys, this one's super simple, super easy. 4 easy vodka drinks. Bingo. We start off with a classic, the screwdriver. Ice, look at the beauty on that ice. Handmade, and I made that here, okay? That's another story. I'll make a video about that someday. You add in the vodka, you add in orange juice, and then you garnish a piece of lime, a piece of orange, whatever you have at home. Super easy, super cheap. You could make this at 7-Eleven, homeboy, or homegirl. Okay, Greyhound, for all you grapefruit lovers. We're using fresh squeezed grapefruit. Look at that, look at that. Now, if it was me, being as muscular as I am, I would have just squeezed the grape juice right into the glass. Okay, but hey, I give a pass. Ice, vodka, come behind that. Okay, we strain in our grapefruit juice. You don't need to strain that in though, because I like the pulp personally on grapefruit juice. Okay, I don't like it in the can, like, or, in the bottle, but whatever. All right. This one right here is a Moscow Mule. Again, very simple. We're making it in a beaker just so that you can see what's inside it. So we add in our vodka, come behind with fresh squeezed lime juice, and then we hit that with some ginger beer. Okay? She's just stirring it to mix it up. She's stirring it to mix it up. Just to get it mixed, because you can't shake it. Just to give you guys to see what it looks like. But you would pour all of that into here with crushed ice, okay? Beautiful, just pour it into it with nice crushed ice. And how do you crush ice? Put in a little bag and break that bad boy up. Hit it hard, okay? Go for a home run, all right? I'm not promoting violence, I'm just saying hit it hard. This one here is a Madras. Again, sexy ice. We come behind with some vodka, followed by cranberry juice, predominantly cranberry juice, and then you come over the top with some orange juice, okay? Okay, she stirs it up. You don't need to do all that though, okay? That's a lot of work. Hit it with some orange juice. Beautiful, and that right there is a Madras. Come behind with a little sexy garnish, and there you have it. 4 very simple vodka drinks. Remember, boys and girls, drink responsibly, and definitely do not drink and drive, okay? We can have a little taste test on the end here, because all of these are beautiful. I think my favorite of these would probably be the Moscow Mule, followed very closely by the Greyhound. But hey, to each his own. I drink whatever, man. I'm not picky. Stay tipsy.